This spoken word album is a tribute of word cycles in the form of the sayings of the ancestors. Word cycles. Word cycles.
Divine words spoken, echo, cycles of astrological systems, true harmonics of breathings, viewed in the meaning of ancient allegories, overtoning stories of goodness and power in behavior of men from different ages and stages, reflecting processions of cosmic seasons, completion of great periods as great pyramids were built to keep time for divinization after weathering post-traumatic conditions of the previous Yuga, Hugad, winter hard during the ice age of barbarism out of prison while development was arrested. Divine word in the flesh remain time tested.
Word cycles.
Words of God, eternal thought waves, weave the fabric of spirit self-made from the numinal plane. I cycle my way to the subjective terrain in 40 days as I refrain from foods that spoil my name. Is hidden in desert valleys spoken, silently invoking mouths of the dead open in ceremonies. I libate and venerate children of the great spirit, embodying teachings that kill. We still lay dead on the horizon, riddle me this inscribed in between my paws. What food for thought is gained from sacred laws when the heart is weighed? Light on her skill.
Word cycles.
Their words don't clothe my reality, remains rather naked. My tribe is unfashioned by indigenous thoughts, sublime, divine mind mode, unfettered, unchedded, poised, steady and calm. Streams come with eternal reflections. Check the piers, burning spears create holes to escape the illusion of inclusion, canceling the intrusion of subconscious to self-sabotage. Their word is fraudulent, unfitting for clothing. Realities remain rather naked in rains. I rather bathe in sacred visions of Oshun on primordial beds in a room for the rites of the dying and dead. Consciousness embalmed, wrapped in linen. Pre-beginnings, we winning back. Our chest piece is sitting on breaths, expanding like wings spread. We come forth from the goddess embrace. Only words that open the way to remain rather naked in reality. My tribe is unfashioned.
Word cycles.
Spirit gifts are wrapped as mummified presence. Omni, celebrating, rhythmic breathing, meditating, resurrecting. Spirit, gifts, give, seeking nothing in return, returns nothing in turn. We learn heaven on earth, blessings in pain of birth, the bird of word, into but not of the flesh, on our skull and bone adornments, reborn when we bury ourselves in the underworld, dead and cold, holding memorials for black bodies unchained, heads trained and skilled in the arts of dying, laying down in alignments on desert horizons. Even sandstorms cannot defy them. Immortal forms like our ancient statues, we still stand on. Spirit gifts wrapped as mummified presence.
Guard your tongue from harmful speech. Then you will be loved by others. Then you will be loved by others. Word cycles.
Emerged in deep state, star gods emanate, spiraling serpents in many forms unknown. The eye stays hid millions of years, providing lifetimes until the right mind appears. Despite flesh, blood and bones, its image is home of the enlightened will that cultivates love grown from understanding, commands in harmony with love, land, sky and cosmos. Above so below, beyond things not thinking, it just tutors as Black Buddha, perceiving like rishis from Indus Kush, raised in Kemet as Kamau in houses of consciousness, from Nile River valleys to slave ships and whips, to not rallying for equal rights, none existed in segregation, rediscovered in power centers of radiation, created by bursts of population density and heat. From spiraling, condensing what matters, manifesting self-supreme being now. We, nothing but black soil with sacred seeds, watered and bathed in the sunlight of sages, ancestral and oracle foresight, immersed in deep stages of the star god emanation, spiraling serpents in many forms unknown. The eye stays hid. Millions of years, providing lifetimes until the right mind appears, despite flesh, blood, and bones.
Word cycles.
Freedom, freedom at any cost. Battle cries the souls in Western bondage, keeping their own happy hostage. The cost is engineered pleasures, pleasing industries, economies corrupt and build up on the fallacy and failure of capitalism. Privatization, consumerism, and free trade. They claim it's our fate and refuse to escape. Open chains round their neck, protect the illusion of freedom at any cost. The soul must battle, crying for the loss of 14 parts, embodying laws and divine principles to reach its pinnacle. Storied in resurrection, we the one like X, crooks, flails, and black power fists, lions and panthers emerging from the mist.
You look like God when you use your verbal expression to affirm your divine attributes and to glorify God as a source of your success in life. Word cycles.